Have you ever had a brilliant idea, only to forget it a few minutes later? Whether you're a student, professional, content creator, or someone who simply wants to stay organized, the right note-taking app can completely change the way you work. In this video, we'll look at the top 5 best note-taking apps in 2026, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your needs. Let's get started. Number 5. Evernote. Evernote has been around for years, but it's still one of the best apps for professionals. It lets you organize notes into notebooks, scan documents, save web pages with its web clipper, and quickly search through thousands of notes. Its AI-powered search also makes finding information much faster than before. If your work involves lots of documents, PDFs, or research, Evernote is still a solid choice. Number 4. Google Keep. If you love simplicity, Google Keep is hard to beat. You can create notes in seconds, make checklists, record voice memos, draw sketches, and even set reminders based on time or location. Everything syncs instantly with your Google account across your phone, tablet, and computer. It isn't designed for huge projects, but for everyday notes and quick reminders, it's one of the fastest apps available. Number 3. Microsoft OneNote. OneNote is perfect for students and anyone who prefers writing naturally. Unlike traditional note apps, it offers an infinite canvas where you can type anywhere, draw with a stylus, insert images, PDFs, tables, and even handwritten notes. If you already use Windows or Microsoft Office, OneNote integrates seamlessly into your workflow. And the best part? Most of its powerful features are completely free. Number 2. Obsidian. Obsidian isn't just a note-taking app, it's a personal knowledge management system. Your notes are stored locally in simple markdown files, giving you full ownership of your data. Its famous graph view visually connects related notes, making it incredibly useful for researchers, writers, developers, and anyone building a second brain. Thanks to thousands of community plugins and themes, you can customize Obsidian almost endlessly. If privacy and long-term knowledge organization matter to you, Obsidian is an excellent choice. Number 1. Notion. Taking the top spot is Notion. More than just a note-taking app, Notion combines notes, documents, tasks, calendars, databases, and AI into one powerful workspace. You can build study notes, project trackers, habit trackers, company wikis, or even manage your entire life from a single dashboard. Its AI features can summarize notes, generate content, brainstorm ideas, and help organize information automatically. Whether you're working alone or with a team, Notion offers incredible flexibility that's hard to match. For most people, it's simply the best all-round note-taking app in 2026. So, which app should you choose? If you want the best overall experience, go with Notion. If privacy and knowledge management are your priorities, choose Obsidian. Students will love OneNote, while Google Keep is perfect for quick everyday notes. And if document organization is your focus, Evernote remains a strong option. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which note-taking app do you use every day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.